so what do you do when someone lashes out on you? How do you handle it? Let's find out. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so we've all been in this scenario, right? When you're in a queue, minding your business, someone else pushes in, you confront them, and then they lash out when they could have just asked politely, hey, I mean, if you were having a good day, you'll probably let it go. But what happens if you're in pain deep down as well? I mean, see, when someone is upset and in pain, it's easy for those strong emotions to come out flying out their mouth as words. Words that you don't want to know. Those words can hurt the people around them. I mean, whoever happens to be in the firing line is going to suffer the consequences. What do I mean by this? The consequences of their inability to process their upset, their pain in a healthy way. But guys, I'll tell you this, most times when people lash out, they didn't set out starting their day with, oh, I'm going to piss someone off today, like, you know, see whose nerves I can get on. I mean, it just happens. It really does. But people don't mean to do what they do sometimes. It's all coming from a place of hurt, unresolved feelings, anger, you name it. The thing is, like, we can never really understand what it is they're going through, can we? Because we don't know their story. So how can you know? I mean, I'm sure you can recall a time when you got into the state and you took your frustrations out on someone else, right? I lash out too when I'm in pain. Every day I'm learning how to deal with pain. But guys, here's how I deal with it, right? I start by making peace with it. But firstly, I deal with the things that I can control and not stress about the things I can't control. Like, it's out of my hands now, right? But what I do though is change my mindset and how I see the situation and the things I can't control. Just to briefly mention, guys, I'll say this. During your growth, you'll experience relapses because if you're trying to change and get rid of a particular flaw, it's only a habit that you're used to, but you're trying to change it, right? You can't get rid of a habit so easily. It takes time, practice. But what is important is you recognizing that it's come up and you trying to stop yourself every time. Right, so perfect example is if you're quick to get angry, right? This may be something you're working on, like, because you're now aware of this habit and you're willing to change it. It doesn't mean it'll happen in one day. Like, someone may do something, you get angry, but then you quickly stop yourself and then soon you realize, calm down, apologize if you need to the other person, if needs be, and then you move on. Right there is you trying to stop that bad habit. So here's what you do next when this happens, right? I want you to turn that anger to compassion. The next time someone lashes out at you, firing unwarranted hurtful words, looks or actions, take a moment to remember that it's from their own upset and pain they're doing this. Remember what it feels like to be in that situation yourself. Like, have a little empathy. Having that self-awareness, guys, and understanding it is what will stop the situation from escalating, because it could get worse. So the person lashing out, what do you think they need at that moment? Quick guess. They need love and understanding. Who can now be the person to give them that love? You. For real, guys. But what could possibly stop you from expressing love and understanding to this person who is clearly in upset and pain? Another guess. You and the choices that you make. I mean, you could sink into the situation and become unconscious and also stuck in pain. You will therefore feed their pain, which further feeds your own pain, and then it becomes a vicious cycle, right? Or you can rise above it with conscious awareness and realize that this is not about you. Them lashing out is not about you. Perfect example, actually. The other day, I called the GP to book an appointment for my daughter, right? Over the phone, I spoke to a lady who was very rude for absolutely no reason. I'll tell you what I did. I smiled throughout the conversation whilst on the phone to her. You know when you smile and you're on the phone, you sound different to when you're not smiling. Like, you sound warmer, basically. So she picked up on that. Like, she picked up on that energy. And then what she did, she calmed down. And then by the end of the call, I said to her, have an amazing day. And then she said the same thing in the nicest way possible. I wasn't expecting that, but I turned it around. I could have been rude too, like, and talked back, like, but in that situation, I loved and understood she may be going through some stuff I know nothing about. That's how I dealt with it. So the question is, how will you deal with the next time someone lashes out on you? I mean, this is the shocking response you can give when someone projects their pain onto you. Shock them with love and understanding. But yeah, honestly, thank you so much guys for watching. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe for more inspiring videos, and leave comments down below as well. Until next time guys.